Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Verify FortiOS supports virtual server load balancing and gather real server IPs, health check ports, and the VIP. Log into the Fortigate GUI or CLI. Create the VIP object pointing to your backend pool so traffic has a destination. Once done, add or adjust firewall policies to permit traffic from the client zone to the VIP and ensure administrative access to the appliance remains restricted for safety. Now configure the pool and balancing logic. Define each real server with weight to influence distribution and select an algorithm, round robin for simplicity, least connections for uneven loads, or weighted when capacity differs. Configure health checks with a practical interval and timeout so failed nodes are removed quickly. Pick HTTP for application checks or TCP for simple reachability. Once configured, bind the pool to the VIP or virtual server object so the Fortigate actively forwards and monitors traffic. Finalize by committing changes and testing from a client. Initiate requests and watch the session table and real-time monitor to confirm distribution and persistence when needed. Make sure health check logs show successful probes. If you used persistence, verify cookies or source IP affinity. If traffic fails or a server is not used, check routing, firewall policies, NAT, and backend service ports first. Misconfigured routes or blocked health probes are the most common causes. Once
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.